Namaskar. Today we are at Mandakini Universal Studio in South Delhi. Mandakini Universal Studio is a venture of Mrs. Mandakini Bora, who herself is a renowned vocalist. और उनका एक पैशन रहा है to have a facility which can give platform to all the creative persons who want to unleash their potential. So Mandakini Universal Studio is a place where you can come unleash all your creative hunger need at one place. The unique features of the studio are number 1, यहाँ का जो mic है Manley mic है, specially ordered in California, USA. We have a recording system which unlimited digital recordings plus live tracks. Up to 24 tracks you can record live up here. And apart from that, we have all the backward and forward linkages and in-house teams, experienced persons who can cater to all your needs for all kind of production, चाहे वो मूवी हो, चाहे वो सॉन्ग हो, चाहे ऑडियो हो, चाहे वो पॉडकास्ट हो, प्री एंड पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन दोनों. So it also includes facilities like VFX, DI, animation or artwork. For podcasts we have a lot of props which can give multiple options for your podcast shoots. Musicians, artists, we have all sort of facilities and alignments up here. You'll find in one single place, that is Mandakini Universal Studio. We also have mixing mastering facility in stereo and in 5.1 Dolby Atmos system. The studio also has facility for chroma or any curtain that you can desire. We can do customization also. All sort of customizations available for your chroma shoots also. We can also create stages. We can also invite guests for you. We can also help setting up the whole entire podcast on one time also, on regular basis also. Jamming sessions you can do. We have all sort of instruments up here in the studio. It's been organized very well. We have all the musicians that you want for your jamming, any kind of technical support you want, any kind of manpower support you want. All these supports, all these facilities you'll only find at one place. The studio is well equipped, more than lighting that you can think of also. हम रात को दिन बना सकते हैं, दिन को रात बना सकते हैं, it's kind of that way. So a lot of lighting options are available and we can again create customized lighting for you. आप यहाँ पे disco का scene बना सकते हैं, आप यहाँ क्लासिकल शूट का सीन बना सकते हैं, आप यहाँ कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. You can experiment. There's a lot of experimentation option available for the lights also. In music production, we have facility for background music, for Foley, for movie dubbing, in fact movie dubbing we can do in any language that you want. We're not language specific. We also enabling a lot of AI services which you want, for the production based AI services also available in our studio for any kind of your music creative need. धन्यवाद.